Hello everyone, and welcome to this course on continuous improvement. I'm your instructor, Fred Morey, and I'll be your instructor for the entire semester. Continuous improvement is a systematic approach to really improving quality in organizations. And I think the term systematic is the key phrase or key term in terms of improving quality. Systematic means a step-by-step specific kind of approach to solve problems. We've always solved problems in our day-to-day lives, but sometimes it's not so systematic. And the same is true in organizations. Sometimes problems are solved, but there's not really a step-by-step approach that's used for solving that problem, for getting to the root cause of the problem, and really addressing all the underlying issues. What happens in a lot of cases is someone in the organization has a personal opinion, or maybe someone has a gut feel about what created the problem, and that's how we solve problems in many cases. Sometimes we're somewhat successful, other times not so much. So what we're going to do in this class is we're going to show you a technique or an approach that really addresses the root cause of problems, and it gives us specific tools to make sure and give us the confidence that really that's what we're doing and eliminating the problem from reoccurring down the road. So that's kind of an oversimplification of what continuous improvement is. Most companies today are involved with continuous improvement at some level, but there's still a lot of them that really aren't using the tools that we're going to be covering in this course. That's going to give you an advantage as far as really knowing how to get to and solve problems. I've been here at NTC since 1998. Prior to NTC, I worked in manufacturing for right around 20 years. The last 10 of those was at a local paper mill, and I've had several different management positions, supervisory positions, engineering positions during my time in manufacturing. It's part of the reason why I really enjoy teaching an applied engineering technology program is I get to use my previous experience for the classes that I teach. Again, I look forward to working with you during the semester. The tools that you're going to be using in this course are going to be the tools that are many of the tools that you're going to use for the next course in a sequence of the Lean certificate, the Lean Sigma certificate, in terms of using these tools in the Six Sigma class. You probably won't use all of them, but for the most part you'll be using probably 80 or 90% of the tools that we're going to be learning in class. At some point in your career, you will, if you're in the quality field, you will use pretty much all the tools at some point that we're going to be covering in this course. Your grade is going to be based on activities that you work on during each learning plan, projects that you're going to be working on during each learning plan. You will not be taking any tests. You will not be getting any exams. Again, your entire grade is based on the work that you do. An example might be, in one of the learning plans, it's going to require you to create a Pareto chart. I know you don't know what that is right now, most of you, but you will. You're going to be doing control charts. You're going to be doing scatter diagrams. You're going to be doing run charts, all kinds of different tools that are used for continuous improvement. But again, that's what your grade is based on. One of the things that I highly suggest or recommend is that if there's anything that we're working on in class that you can apply to work, I think that's a win-win for not only you, but your organization and for NTC. So if you have any practical application in a work setting that you can apply any of these tools to, I strongly encourage that. I also encourage students working as a team or in pairs. I realize that's difficult on an online class sometimes, but you know, if that works for you, I encourage that to hook up with another classmate and work on some of these activities as a pair or as a team. To the point where if you're working on a learning plan together, the two of you can put your name on that and submit one learning plan. So again, that's encouraged, and I think that's a good thing to do, especially in a class like this where teamwork is heavily involved with continuous improvement. Most companies use employee teams to solve their problems, especially in the world today, you know, for working on and solving their organizational problems. So with that, good luck on the course. I'll be giving you a brief overview of each learning plan as we move forward. So pretty much that's the way each learning plan will start out. I'll give you a short idea what the learning plan is about, maybe some general kinds of things about the specific topic, and then you know, you'll take over from there. So again, my name's Fred, and I look forward to working with you this semester.